Today's talk is on oral hygiene, the hidden root cause of whole body diseases, the science every family must know, by Dr. Y. Gopalkrishna Singh, MD. Ladies and gentlemen, what if I told you that the true gateway to your health is not your stomach, not your heart, not your brain, but your mouth? Every single day, we eat, talk, breathe, and swallow. Yet almost none of us realize that the mouth is the starting point of nearly every system in the body. Modern science now confirms what ancient traditions hinted long ago. Oral hygiene is not just about teeth, it is about your heart, your brain, your gut, your immunity, and your longevity. But sadly, this is the most ignored, overlooked, and underestimated aspect of personal health. We brush quickly, we rush, we skip flossing, we never clean the tongue, we avoid dental checkups unless pain forces us. And slowly, silently, the mouth becomes a factory of inflammation. And this inflammation doesn't stay inside the mouth. It travels, it flows into your bloodstream, it enters your gut, it reaches your heart, it crosses into your brain, it influences your immune system, metabolism, and overall aging. Poor oral hygiene is now linked to heart attack and stroke, high blood pressure, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, diabetes and insulin resistance, gut dysbiosis, autoimmune conditions, pregnancy complications, chronic inflammation of the whole body. Yet most families are completely unaware of this connection. That is why today's lecture is not just important, it is life-saving. Because every parent, every child, every adult, and every elderly person deserves to know the science behind how a small infection in the mouth can create a large disease in the body, and how simple habits can prevent a lifetime of suffering. Today, we will uncover this hidden truth. We will understand the mouth-body connection. We will learn the rituals that protect your health from inside out. Let us begin this journey towards safer, stronger, science-backed living. For you, for your children, and for every family that wants a healthier future. Section 1. The Science of the Oral Microbiome. Your mouth contains 700 plus species of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. They are not enemies. They are your first line of defense. A healthy oral microbiome protects teeth and gums, controls inflammation, supports digestion, protects the heart, shields the brain, trains the immune system. But when this balance is disturbed, known as oral dysbiosis, harmful bacteria take over, causing chronic inflammation that affects every system of your body. Bleeding gums equals bacteria entering your bloodstream. This may happen daily without pain, yet silently damage the body. Section 2. Oral Health and the Heart. Global studies, including the American Heart Association, have shown people with chronic gum disease have 2 to 3 times higher risk of heart attack and stroke. Why? Because oral bacteria like P. gingivalis enter the bloodstream, attach to artery walls, and trigger atherosclerosis, plaque formation, vessel inflammation, increased clotting. Many autopsies of heart attack victims revealed oral bacteria inside coronary plaques. This is why true heart protection begins in the mouth, not the chest. Section 3. The brain-mouth connection. Harvard and Stanford neuroscientists found oral bacteria invade brain tissue. They release toxins called gingipains. These destroy neurons. Inflammation increases. Memory declines faster. People with gum inflammation have up to 70% higher risk of Alzheimer's. Poor oral hygiene accelerates brain aging, silently and powerfully. Section 4. The gut-mouth axis. The oral microbiome seeds the entire gut microbiome. If harmful bacteria dominate the mouth, They travel to the intestine causing gut dysbiosis, leaky gut, IBS, autoimmune diseases, chronic bloating and indigestion. Therefore, a healthy gut begins with a healthy mouth. Section 5, Energy Medicine, Tooth Organ Meridian Connection. Jerry Tennant's Body Electric and Healing is Voltage explain that each tooth is connected to specific organs through energetic meridians. For example, upper molars, heart, stomach, spleen, canines, liver, gallbladder, lower incisors, kidney, bladder, premolars, lungs, large intestine. If a tooth is infected, root canaled, or carrying chronic inflammation, it may block the energetic flow to its corresponding organ. This explains why dental treatments often lead to improvements in digestive function, sleep, energy, chronic pain, hormonal balance. Section 6, Common oral signs that affect the whole body: bleeding gums, bad breath, dry mouth, sensitive teeth, recurrent throat infections, metal fillings causing galvanic currents, old root canals, hidden dental abscess, grinding, clenching. These signs are not small. They may reflect systemic inflammation. Section 7, The Hidden Problem. Unnecessary antibiotics for sore throat. Across India, antibiotics are given casually for almost every sore throat, but medical data clearly shows most pharyngitis equals viral, not bacterial. Viral infections do not need antibiotics. Unnecessary antibiotics damage the oral and gut microbiome. This leads to recurrent infections, antibiotic resistance, weakened immunity, persistent throat irritation, fungal overgrowth. When the oral microbiome is destroyed, the throat loses its natural protection. This is why people fall sick repeatedly. Section 8, Oral Antiseptics. Are they always safe? Oral antiseptics like povidone iodine, chlorhexidine, betadine gargle kill all bacteria, the good and the bad. Frequent use leads to microbiome destruction, dryness and irritation, altered taste, delayed healing, poor oral immunity, thyroid stress in iodine-sensitive individuals. They should be used only when medically indicated, not for every minor throat discomfort. Section 9. Simple, natural methods. Work better in most cases. Most mild pharyngitis resolves beautifully with warm saline gargling, one of the safest, most effective natural treatments. Chewing 2 to 3 cloves slowly. Cloves contain eugenol, which is antiviral, anti-inflammatory, mildly antibacterial against harmful strains. Pain soothing. Many people experience relief within minutes. Warm water, steam inhalation, honey plus turmeric for adults. These methods heal without damaging the microbiome. Section 10, Protecting the Oral Microbiome. Daily habits. Brush twice daily, gently, floss or water floss. Tongue cleaning. Avoid overuse of mouthwash. Limit sugar, sweets, cold drinks. Use oral probiotics, L. reuteri, L. salivarius. Treat dental infections early. Avoid metal fillings if possible. Support with vitamin C, D3, K2. Use energy medicine to reduce inflammation. Section 11. Energy medicine and oral health. Energy medicine supports the oral cavity by increasing microcirculation, reducing chronic inflammation, enhancing nerve repair, improving tissue oxygenation, raising cellular voltage. This leads to faster healing, stronger immunity, and improved organ function. My dear friends, we often look for health in big places, hospitals, medicines, tests, supplements, but true health begins in small, simple daily actions. It begins in your bathroom mirror. It begins with how you care for your gums, your tongue, your teeth, and your oral microbiome. A healthy mouth creates a healthy body. A neglected mouth creates lifelong disease. This is the truth science has finally proven. When you protect your oral hygiene, you are not just cleaning your teeth, you are protecting your heart, brain, gut, immunity, metabolism, nervous system, and even your longevity. Your mouth is the first line of defense for your life. So today, make a promise to yourself and to your family. We will never ignore oral hygiene again. Because one small change, like cleaning your tongue, like brushing properly, like using turmeric for gum care, like avoiding antiseptics that kill good bacteria, can save you from years of medications, suffering, and chronic diseases. You have the knowledge, you have the science, you have the power. Now transform your daily habits, and you will transform your entire life. Let this be the beginning of a healthier mouth, a stronger body, and a brighter, disease-free future for every family. Founder of Holistic Wellness Foundation, Imphal Healing Beyond Boundaries.